God. Do you know sometimes youth, vijana, unaweza kaa, huowi, mwaka imeisha, hata hakuna mtu amekuambia hai wa opposite gender, mpaka unaanza kujidoubt, ama ni mapua yangu iko kombo, mpaka unakaa kwa mira unaweka rula hivi. Unaanza kujishuku. Is something wrong with me? How comes nobody has approached me? How comes nobody is talking to me? How comes nobody is accepting my advances? I'm here to tell you that you are so important, only that you are living among blind people. You are just like people who live where there is gold, but foreigners are coming to dig the gold and carry away. I'm here to tell you that God still sees your value. You are still valuable. Even if nobody has told you I love you this year, you are still valuable. And just for good measure in church, I love you. At least umeambiwa ya this year. Are we together? Si nimewaambia ya this year. At least hii mwaka is taken care of. Are we together? I'm not sure next year God will provide. But for this year, I assure you, I totally love you. Na amen imegeuka soprano na alto.
Get the point. Take a step forward.